Good afternoon, everybody. It's Yayako Commander 010, Mr. Fabrice Lundam. I'm home at this particular moment. It is 5:11, 11 minutes past 5 p.m. or 17:11. As you can see, it's not 12. You know what I mean? It's 12 past 5 or 12 past 17, 5 p.m. You know what I mean? I'm at home. I'm having my dinner at this particular moment. This is pork ribs. You know what I mean? In sauce with rice. Put the ventilator. You know what I mean? Get some fresh air for anti-Semitic. You know what I mean? Guys' business or whatever. Excuse me. I got the juice there. I got water there. Evian. You know what I mean? This is the G-Star. Inside I got the boss. You know what I mean? Inside I got the boss. The chains, everything. You know what I mean? The trainers. As you can see, you know what I mean? This is gas, you know what I mean? This is gas, you know what I mean? The socks, you know what I mean? All that. I'm at home, I'm in my living room, you know what I mean? Yeah, Commander, Mr. Fabrice Lundam, 010. The ribs, it tastes nice, you know what I mean? If you were here, you'll taste the ribs. That's 5 news, you see 5 news? 5 news is there, you know what I mean? 5 news. It's 5. Watching 5 news at this particular moment. You know what I'm trying to say? Now, no more to say. Let me carry on eating my meal. And for those who like to see chewy, you know what I mean? Chewy my meat, you know what I mean? Very nice. Made by myself. I'm a single man, you know what I mean? I'm gonna woman who can cook for me, and I'm not a fan of takeaway. Sometimes McDonald's, you know what I mean? Or chicken burger, you know what I mean? I used to like Chinese meal as well, you know what I mean? All the Chinese, you know what I mean? Seafood, fried rice, you know what I mean? Prawn, fried rice, king prawn, you know what I mean? But as a single man, sometimes I just quickly go to the kitchen, make what I can make. Most of the time I eat the same thing. Fish, pork. Now I become a fan of fish. I got plenty of fish in my fridge. I bought it from Bradley's. Bradley's, you know what I mean? A shop called Bradley's. I think it's in Middlesex. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Bradley, I become a fan of fish. You know, I love fish. You know what I mean? I use this opportunity to say to everybody as well. You know what I mean? Fish is nice. You know what I mean? I'm having red snapper and red fish, and you know what I mean? I cook some prawn, you know what I mean? Prawn with eggs, you know what I mean? And shell as well, you know what I'm trying to say to you? Let me enjoy. You know what I mean? The perfume, I forgot to tell you, I'm smelling nice, you know what I mean? I use David Beckham, Green and Romantic. You know what I'm trying to say to you? It's one of the perfume I have now in my collection. I've got Bentley perfume, I've got Mobusen, you know what I mean? I use my favorite perfume as well is Lacoste, you know what I mean? Lacoste, the original Lacoste Match Point, you know what I mean? Nowadays I've been using too much Lacoste Match Point. But Lacoste, you see, I see certain people, different perfume, you know what I mean? They can easily open Lacoste Match Point, you know what I'm trying to say to you? Now, you know what I mean? Even my certain bottle, perfume bottle, you know what I mean? People can do tempering, you know what I'm trying to say to you? But if it become Green and Romantic from Old Beauty, you know what I mean? Old Beauty somewhere between France and England, you know what I mean? Ireland, Old Beauty. I like the name Old Beauty, I like woman, you know what I mean? Especially when you're pretty, you know what I mean? Tasty, you know what I mean? And like I'm eating my pork sauce with rice. Plain rice, yeah, but it looks a bit yellowish or orange because I pour sauce on top of it, you know what I mean? I eat the same sauce as well, you know what I mean? With the same ingredient, you know what I mean? That's how I do, you know what I mean? Single man. It's not like I'm begging for a woman, you know what I mean? It's not like that, but I'm just saying, it's not like a woman cooking for me, you know what I mean? I managed to make it myself. I know how to make few things, you know what I mean? And that's the thing I eat constantly every single time, you know what I mean? As a single man, you know what I mean? Because takeaway business and all that, you know what I mean? Sometimes, you know what I mean? But, you know what I mean? But this one, I cook it myself. Some waters there, Evian, you know what I mean? Evian is my favorite water. If it's not Evian, it's Volvic. But all the water is water. No, I eat Scotland water as well. Like, I forget the name of it. It's called water, all this water. But most of the time I drink Evian or Evian or Evian or Evian. Eve N. EV in. Now, one thing I'd like to say to my people, today is the 5th of November 2025. Right? The weather temperature is 16 degrees Celsius at my front door. First 16 Joffrey House, pardon, Street ST1 for the W. Now, the 5th, I woke up this morning, usually behind my living room, my bedroom, you know what I mean, this tabak garden where I live, you know what I mean, this cage, football cage, you know what I mean, that little garden you see over there next to my house. The animal comes, you know what I mean, I see many animals that I see teeth, my favorite bed teeth, you know the bed called teeth. I realize there's many teeth, you know, but my favorite teeth is black and white and gray. You know that teeth that has 3 colors, black and white and gray. That's my favorite animal. In fact, because you see the color black and white, it goes together for black and white. You know what I mean? Like rainbow. It's always rainbow. There's no other color or remove color. When they say the rainbow, you know the color of rainbow. No, you see black and white, it just go black and white. There's no orange, black or green or whatever. It's just black and white. It's black and white, black and white. But you see that dove. Excuse me, the teeth, the black and white and gray one. It's my favorite animal of all the time. I got so many favorite animals like pigeon dove, you know what I mean, like parakeet, like zebra. I got so many, but my favorite on top of the list, teeth. Sound good, isn't it? Teeth. In fact, look at one of my ring. The bird, you know what I mean? They say it's an eagle from where I born, you know what I mean? But it's just a bird. Yeah, it could be an eagle, it could be a raven, a crow, whatever. But the owner is selling an eagle. So I put it on my love fingers on my, you know what I mean? This is the Congolese code, you know what I mean? For a man who loves woman, especially straight man. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm a straight man, you know what I mean? So you see the eagle, you know what I mean? As I say, the eagle is on my love song, my love fingers. And if it's not an eagle, it's over bird, you know what I mean? Bird, you know what I'm trying to say to you? No, I'm not talking about anything like that you're dreaming. You know what I mean? I'm talking about the animal bird, you know what I'm trying to say to you? Now, the teeth. Now, today morning, I woke up to feed the teeth and all this animal, because I give them food. I see the teeth that once they were eating all together. Bird teeth, bird robin, bird tedos, bird, also sparrow, crow, and dove pigeon, and normal pigeon, and squirrel, the animal squirrel. Now, today when I woke up, I do that constantly. I buy biscuit for them, I give them a piece of bread, you know, when my bread expires, and I couldn't finish or whatever. But if I have anything, sometimes I give them raw rice, you know, cooked rice, you know what I mean? If I lack biscuit, bread, anything that, peanuts, sometimes I give them that, so you know what I mean? I'll give them back. My intention is not to feed all these animals. I realize squirrel comes there almost the time it passes by, you know, and I start feeding squirrel. Squirrel made friendship with me. And I realized the dove came and started feeding the dove. The dove made friendship with me, and the dove even, you know, just behind my flat there, you know what I mean? I'm sure you see one picture that I post. In fact, you see behind me there. You know what I mean? By my country there, you know what I mean? You see that canvas, you see the dove, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? That two kids that just there, you know what I mean? Now, you see, as I do that, I saw the dove, you know what I mean, lay eggs and crack eggs. I see the dove chicks laying to fly, you know what I mean, just behind my flat here. Now, today when I woke up here, as it's the 5th, the 5th, Wednesday, the 5th of November 2025, the 5th, I woke up and I was feeding the dove, because the dove was there, you know what I mean. Now the squirrel came, I started feeding that squirrel. This squirrel, I gave this squirrel biscuit. This squirrel, as soon as it took the biscuit, the squirrel went up the tree, leave the biscuit there. The squirrel came downstairs again to me, because I'm in my house, I'm looking outside my window, food downstairs, right? I mean, down below. Now the squirrel came back from the tree, cool down, you know what I mean, come there, and you know what I mean, next to the spot where I threw the first biscuit, it stood up. I need to throw another biscuit. The squirrel will take the next biscuit, go on my right there, neighbor number 17, somewhere there. The squirrel will dig a hole, hide the biscuit. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Trying to dig a hole and trying to, because there's some leaves over there. Somebody cut the trees or the leaves left it there, so it's a bit little bushy little there. You know what I mean? The squirrel went over there next to that, trying to go scratch, and leave the biscuit there. Come back to me again for the third time. Now remember, the first one he puts it in the tree. He didn't even eat the first biscuit, he put it in the tree. The next biscuit, he go there, he hide it. Now the third biscuit, the squirrel will get the biscuit, go back to the same level on number 15, 17. I mean 17. Below there is number 5. You know what I'm trying to say to you? Now the squirrel will go there just on the window of the number 5 living room. The squirrel will jump off from off the ground to the window. You know, the ground is ground for number 5 is ground for. So the window, from the start up on the bottom of the window to the top, there is a little pallet, white pallet. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about. Not on the window. That little flat white pallet. I don't know if it's the frame of the window. You know what I mean? What you call it anyway. But the squirrel will jump from the ground to there and leave that biscuit there. Leave that biscuit there, put that biscuit there, trying to circle, trying to squeeze, trying to tune on the pallet, you know what I mean? And then he jump off. And he left the biscuit there. Now I'm standing there, I'm thinking, this squirrel, the first biscuit I gave this squirrel, he go on the tree, he leaves it there. He come to me again, I give the second biscuit, the squirrel go there next to the little bush there, dig a hole, trying to dig a hole, and leave the biscuit there. Come back to me the third time, I give the squirrel the biscuit. The squirrel will go over there, jump on our window frame, that plate pallet, that plate flat white space. Leave the biscuit there again, and come back, and I give the squirrel another biscuit. The squirrel will take the biscuit and eat the biscuit. Now I'm thinking today is the 5th. Where the squirrel left that window there, that biscuit on that window there, that is door number 5 as well. So today is the 5th. He leaves the biscuit on number 5. You know what I mean? Forget about the biscuit on the tree, you know what I mean? He does that, I know that. Forget about digging the ground, he does that, I know that. Now, I never see that squirrel take, I feed the squirrel, I never see the squirrel take a biscuit. You know what I mean? Even to my own window, even to other neighbors' window, I'm not talking about my window because I live on the first floor, but on the door, the house below me now, number 4, the squirrel never jump there and leave a biscuit. He jumps there when he's in rush to eat my food, or he's very angry. I noticed that. And when he comes to me, he jumps there to the frame of the window number 4, and he's looking up. You know what I mean? Even once I was in my bedroom, I was trying to fool the squirrel with the biscuit. But while I was opening the biscuit, trying to grab the biscuit, the squirrel was so angry that the squirrel started crawling on the on the wall, coming to enter my bedroom window. And I'm staying there, I'm watching the squirrel from, you know what I mean, crawling up and down, you know what I mean, scratching, coming from the bottom down to my window. You know what I mean? I figured, yo, get down there, don't come in here. You know what I mean? And I put the biscuit on there, the squirrel gets down the wall, straight down to the ground and get the biscuit. You know what I mean? But today, the squirrel grabbed that biscuit, leaving on number 5. Today is the 5th. Now, what is so amusing is what is really something you may not understand, but I do. You know what I mean? Today is the 5th, the squirrel will leave that biscuit on the 5th. That woman that lives on number 5, right? Once, I was smoking crack cocaine, and one day I was craving for my crack, and I didn't have no money. You know what I mean? I asked that woman to lend me £10, and she did lend me £10. And after a while, I went there, I gave her a £10 back. You know what I mean? Now today is the 5th, and the squirrel will go leave that biscuit on the pallet, on the window frame of that door number 5. So I realized she's number 5, the woman. Because I don't know if that's her husband or not. I see another man coming from that house as well. You know what I mean? But I'm talking about the woman because I talked to the woman. You know what I mean? I asked the woman to lend me money, to borrow me £10. You know what I mean? She did. Now I'm thinking that woman lives in number 5. Now today is the 5th. 5. Now, if I put this 5 of today and the 5 of window frame, a door number, I have 10. That is exactly the £10 she lent me. And the squirrel, from me to there, the squirrel is going on my right. The same way, me as a human being, I went to that woman to ask that woman to give me £10. The same way the squirrel as an animal, take my biscuit and go to that woman's window and leave the biscuits there. You understand? Now, this square will show me something many people don't understand. Either you took the biscuit or whoever take the biscuit, that is up to you. It's nothing to do with me. But you can dream, you can wait, you can need my answer, you can do whatever you can imagine whatever. But what it is so important about it to me, today is the 5th, and this square will take the biscuit to window number 5. Property number 5. From a woman who asked to borrow me 10 pounds. She lent me 10 pounds. Number 5 plus 5 equal 10. You understand? And I got no more to say. The priest, the imam, the monk, the pastor, all these religious people, representative of religion. You know what I mean? You dig into this. You know what I mean? Trying to imagine, trying to think about it, trying to understand it, trying to have a revelation. You know what I mean? God willing, I pray by the name of all the prophets on earth, Prophet Muhammad, Prophet my ancestor Simon Kimbangu, of the Kimbangist, Jesus Christ, Buddha. You know what I mean? And those that I don't know, perhaps I wasn't there in year BC or after year BC, early centuries, but from today, you know what I mean? Me, sitting here, Mr. Tonadio Kandabiko Fabrice Lundamo. Or Fabrice Lundamo, Luyangu, Kajambiko Tonadi. Kajambiko Tonadio, Luyangu, Fabrice Lundamo. Yaich. Simply, Yayako Commander 010. Try to understand it. Yeah? You know dream catchers. Now once I thought I was a dream catcher. I mentioned I am a dream catcher. You know what I mean? You know psychic. You know what I mean? Not pretensions. You know what I mean? Don't try to imagine under your superficial psychology. You know what I mean? Psychology, or don't be a psychiatric. You know what I'm trying to say to you? But basically what I'm trying to say is, try to understand these people who pray, religious people. Even people who are not religious, but those who things make sense to them. Those who can understand certain things. Even scientists, you know what I mean? Mathematician, you know what I mean? Engineer, you know what I mean? Anybody, you know what I'm trying to say to you? But me as a religious person, I direct this. My query, my asking, my wish, my I can say many. I ain't gonna time for that because I'm eating anyway. You know what I'm trying to say? But trying to realize and analyze and supervise all this incident, all this situation that I'm explaining now. On the 5th. This square will take my biscuit and bring it to the window number 5. And that woman lent me 10 pounds. So when I think about me, on the 5th, giving the squirrel the biscuit, and the squirrel take the biscuit to number 5. That means you see that squirrel is 10, is 10. It's the squirrel that's representing 10. That is the squirrel. The squirrel is representing 10 pounds. Because see the biscuit is from mine. He had it. Now he had it instead of eating it. He took it to them. So basically the squirrel is in between me and the woman. You understand? So the squirrel represents 10 pounds. You know what I'm trying to say? Now, as I just mentioned, you know what I mean? I mentioned it, you know what I mean? I ain't got no more to say. But you know what I mean? If you know something, you understand something, you too can contribute to this understanding. Maybe you can have imagination or, no, I mean, I don't know what to say. But anyway, it was just something to tell you, guys. If you think it's funny, it's funny. If it's not funny, it's not funny. I don't know if you think I'm going mad or I'm acting crazy or whatever. No, it is a true story. It's not, this is not, I'm doing comedies. This is a reality. It happened today. You know what I mean? It happened today. It happened today. This morning. When I woke up this morning. You know what I mean? It happened this morning. You know what I mean? And it's the first time for me, since I've been feeding squirrels, giving squirrel biscuits all the time. I never see a squirrel take a biscuit to any of this window. My neighbor's window, people live among them in this estate. I never see a squirrel take the biscuit to any of this window and leave it there. Now, I witnessed the squirrel taking the biscuit, climbing the tree, leave it on top there. I witnessed a crow or raven coming there, eating it. Now, recently, I witnessed a magpie. You know what I mean? Come eat it, take it. The squirrel take it up there and leave it there. The magpie take it. Last time, a couple of days ago here, there was magpie above the tree. The squirrel get my biscuit, but he ate biscuit, no, one biscuit, he take it, he climb up there. Now, as he climb up there, you know what I mean, there was, where he was climbing, there was magpies, 2 or 3 magpies out there. You know what I mean? So I already knew, he does this and he gives it he leaves it there, all this animal come get it. But that day, I witnessed, when he puts it there, the magpie that was close to take the biscuit, you know what I mean, took a little moment, you know what I mean, I don't know what he was thinking. But then another crow or raven, you know what I mean? But I think it was a crow because it was not big enough for me to think it's a raven. He came flying first and just take that biscuit, you know what I mean? And it's a surprise business, you know what I mean? When you see the crow's leg fingers, you know what I mean? Or sometimes, usually it starts from the fingers and then you grab it in the mouth, you go with it. You know what I mean? Only once I saw the raven, big raven, grab it from the fingers, you know what I mean, and fly with it in the fingers. But that one, you know what I mean, just come, man, you know what I mean, and trying to move away the nest, you know what I mean, with the legs, and then he take it in the mouth and he fly with it. And the magpie who was there didn't take the biscuit. But one thing I said, this squirrel will take that biscuit to this magpie who is there. But the magpie who's there, it seems like he doesn't want the biscuit. It seems like he's running late. It seems like he doesn't care. You know what I mean? And the crow come get it. But I never see a squirrel leave the biscuit on any of this window. I see them digging, trying to dig holes, break the biscuit, run away with the biscuit, put it on the tree, some over animal, take it or leave it there. Later on, itself go there, take it. But today, I witnessed a squirrel go leave the biscuit next to the window there. And he stood there for a few hours around until shortly I opened the window not long ago. You know what I mean? I think in the afternoon, early afternoon, I checked the window, the biscuit was in there. So I'm not aware of who took the biscuit, you know what I mean, honestly. But the biscuit was there. Now I'm trying to say to you. And even me myself, I said it as a joke as soon as it happened. I said, if this woman is drinking, because it's cold now, I said, if this woman want to drink a coffee, she can just open her window. There is a biscuit there. On the window frame, the white palette. You know what I'm saying to you? Now, then when I say that and I realized today is, I already knew today is the 5th, but I realized that is door number 5. And that woman lent me £10. I asked her to owe me £10. And if I think about the 5 of today is the 5, and the squirrel will leave it on the 5. First of all, he confirmed to me that today is the 5, the 5th day of November. Today is 5, the 5th. You know what I mean? So I realized today is 5. No, the biscuit is really, that squirrel carry left it to 5 as well. That means I got 2-5. I got 2-5. But me, I'm not that woman. We're not equal. Me, I'm number 16. The woman is number 5. So we're not equal. I cannot subtract 5 to make it 0. You know, but I can also do that in the way of a squirrel is not human. Me, I'm a human. I can count that woman. I see her, you know what I mean? I see her as a human being. You know what I mean? She's a human. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Now, that woman there, she's a lady. That lady there lives in number 5. That woman. You know what I mean? Me, this man, me, myself, the man I'm talking on this video, Fabrice Lundam. Tuna de Luyangu Kajambiko Yaich, Fabrice Lundam. Yako Command 010. I'm a man. No, that's it. No, we're not equal. No, me, I'm a man. She's a woman. We're not equal. No, my 5. From thinking today is the 5, the 5th. Her as I can think today is the 5th. But her, she lives in number 5. Me, I do not. You know what I'm saying? But it's me who give the squirrel the biscuit. You know what I mean? And the squirrel that I feed, that take the biscuit to that lady there. That means the squirrel done what? A rotation of 2-5. To me, I'm not number 5, but it is the 5th. I'm 5 now because I'm feeding this squirrel on the 5, on the 5th. You know what I mean? And the squirrel will take it to 5. You know what I mean? Because she lives in number 5, that woman. That means 2-5. You know what I mean? that reminds me, the £10 I asked that lady to lend it. And I said, but I'll dig into that. You know what I mean? I'm a man when things like this happen. Sometimes I go to bed. Even today, I can go to bed, I dream about it, and I get a reflection on what happened, and you know what I mean? I get inspiration. Or even another time, or even the way I just said it. You know what I mean? I know my people with a good intention, positive energy, religious or non-religious, human, you know what I mean, who can project good energy, you know what I mean, under this matter. I'm welcoming it, you know what I mean, under this situation, under this coincidence, if you can call it coincidence. You know what I mean? My hand is open, my heart is open. You know what I mean? I'm clear to that. I want to receive something that, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? It's not a request, but it's just, you know what I mean? It's a say. You know what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Now I'm gonna go back to finish eating my meal and trying to have a little time to watch the news, because I'm watching the news. As you can see, the poppies over there. See the poppies over there. They're talking about the poppies. You know what I mean? That's the news on Channel 5. You know what I mean? I finished eating my food, and that's what I'm gonna do now. I wish you all happy the 5th of November 2025. They say it's bonfire night. I heard that you know what I mean, on TV on early morning. I was watching morning live. You know what I mean? I salute one guy. I'm in Taba. You know what I'm trying to say to you? It's Fabrice. You know what I mean? P. Mr. P. That one lady calls me Mr. P. You know what I mean? Mr. P. You know what I mean? Fabrice. It's me, Fabrice. You know what I mean? You can call me S if you want to. Or you can call me V. You know, if you want to, you can call me F. But call me Fabrice Lundamo. Or call me Tonadio Kajambiko. Luyangu Fabrice Lundamo. Yaich. Or just call me Yaich alone. But usually at this particular moment, I got a new name as well, you know what I mean? I'm a nobody. Leave me alone. You know what I mean? But the new name that is in trade now. You know what I mean? The name that blow more than any name. The name that's so powerful. Among the most names I branded myself is Yaya Commander 010. That name there, don't fuck about with it. Don't fuck about with you. The spirit people can see, the spiritual people, you know what I mean? The spirit can see, the spiritual people can see, and the understandable people can understand, you know what I mean? People with long vision, good understanding, either atheist, religious, human being, you know what I mean? I do believe, you know what I mean? If some animal being can understand, animal, human, animal, human, you know, this kind of nonsense business. Anyway, but to all the people living on earth, you know, breathing air, and have especially descendant of human, you know what I mean, 100% human. You know what I mean, from your mom's side, your dad's side, we see 100% human. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yulo, you see? Yeah, or Wilo, or Yulo. I don't know which one you prefer, so if I can include myself on Wilo, or you just pick your side and I say Yulo. I don't know. But anyway, I mean, now let me finish eating my meal and have a time to upload this video. It's 28 minutes. Let's make it 30. So I'm gonna cut the video on 59 seconds. YouTube usually add me 1 second extra for free. So it's gonna become 30 minutes. Now on this last 1 minute 59 seconds, to the lady, to the women, you know what I mean, ladies, girls, you know what I mean, feminine, basically. I love you so much. I'm the man who stands for loving woman. I'm the woman street business for eternity. You know what I mean? You know, I got a song for you. We are the Victorian. We represent Queen, Princess, Lady. They call it front business. Front business. Front business. I like money. I like girls that look clean, nice, sexy every day. I'm straight woman. I go hard. Baby, my love to you is like a child with their favorite toy. Straight loving. I will hurt you. It's forever love. Front business. It's almost 29, 59 seconds. I got about 12 seconds to go. Yeah, I wish you the best. Yeah, I mean, single lady, me, I love you so much. You know what I mean? Being single is not a problem. Remember, divorcee, widow, children, toddler. You know what I'm trying to say to you?